Let me see you stand up. Come on, let me see you stand up. Let me see you stand up. Stand up. All the way. Let me see you stand up. Yeah, girl. Let me see you stand up. Let me see you stand up. Oh, so close. Let me see. Let me see. Sissy, can we say official? What? Let me see. Oh, come here. Bubba, she wants you to tell her good job. Okay, show Bubba how you stand up. And we'll clap. Sissy, stand up and we'll clap. Stand up. Okay, we'll stand up and then we'll clap. Stand up, let me see. Yay, Sissy! Yay! Is she so good? Let me see. Stand up and clap. Yay, Sissy! Yay! Yay, Mama! She the longest, huh? Yay, Sissy! But if we walk close to her, she won't do it. So we have to stay back here. Sissy, can Mommy come see you? No, okay. Yay! Yay, Sissy! Woo! Okay, now take a step. Let me see you. Sissy, can you walk? No. Walk to Bubba. Go get Bubba. Oh, see, if you get too close, she's going to go down. You want to walk? Okay, well, Bubba will back up. Come on. Stand up. Bubba, wait, stop. Don't move it. Stop him. Yay!
Did she do it?
Yeah, watch her. No, she didn't take a step yet.